UK union, says Boris Johnson, as he travels to Scotland today. During his first visit since last year's general election, the Prime Minister will meet business leaders and military personnel to thank them for their response to the crisis. The SNP says the visit shows Mr Johnson is in a panic about rising support for Scottish independence. Well, let's get the thoughts now of Professor Sir John Curtice, Professor of Politics at Strathclyde University. Always good to have you with us. Thank you so much for joining us today to talk about this story. So let's examine that statement from Boris Johnson first of all, that this shows the might
Does the porridge need another minute?